Greetings. Tell me something. You ever choose bad over good yet? How it make you feel? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this with all of the people them where you know. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of the reading them will come out 5 o'clock every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 11 to verse 26. Now, Jesus stand up in front of the governor, and the governor asked him, say, "You are the Jew them king?" Jesus said, "Are you say so?" And when the leader for the priest them and the Jew leader them say him do all kind of wrong sitting, him ne answer back. Then Pilate said to him, say, "You know hear how much bad sitting they say you do." But Jesus no answer not even one of them. That did surprise the governor. Now, in the Passover holiday, the governor always free one prisoner. Anybody with the crowd want. This time, them did lock up one wicked prisoner. Everybody did know him. Him did name Jesus Barabbas. So after the crowd of people gather up, Pilate said to them, say, "Who no want me lego funo now? Jesus Barabbas or Jesus the one where they call Christ?" Cause Pilate no say they only bring in Jesus cause they need bad mind. When Pilate did sit down in a special seat as judge for the case, him wife send in the messenger. No have nothing to do with the man there, cause him no do nothing wrong. Me have one bad dream about him today. Lux, it make me suffer. But the head priest and Jew elder them push the people them for ask for Barabbas and for make them kill Jesus. The governor asked them, out of the two of them, which one would want me lego? And the people them say, Barabbas. Pilate said to them, say, then what me for do with Jesus, where them call Christ? The whole of them say, nail him on the cross. So him say, for what? What wrong him do? But them shout louder than them did a shout first. Nail him on the cross. When Pilate said him never did a go nowhere with this here, but did only rile up the crowd more. Him take water, wash him hand in front of them and say, "I know me make the man ya dead. Fame blood, they pan full head." All of the people them say, yeah, blame we. Make him blood come down pan we and we picnic them. Then, him let go Barabbas give them. Him make them take whip, be Jesus. And then, give him over for them nail him on the cross. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.